It's time to take your concrete grinding and polishing to the next level at the WORX Plus Concrete Polishing Seminar. The WORX Plus education team has educated more industry professionals globally than any other brand. Members of our education team have been active contractors, machinery manufacturers, MPC developers, pioneers of the one pass philosophy and much more for almost 3 decades. And I don't mean combined, I mean 30 years apiece. Do your homework. Think ReadyLock, Hyperfloor, dual drive, rip change, continuous grinding technology, power grouting, lick coats and spring heads. I apologise about the spring heads. Anyhow, it's all come from our education team. Attending a WORX Plus seminar won't lock you into any particular product, brand or system. Our training will equip you with the knowledge and skills to help you perfect your own craft and be totally confident in producing your own product. Take ownership of your process and results. The seminar format is a combination of practical and theoretical training. It isn't going to be your instructor rolling out a perfect system from start to gloss. We want to show you how to recover a flaw, diagnose your machine, get it back on track when you have faults, protect your margin. Because reality is, unless you're a professional influencer, you're not paying bills with likes and shares. Power grouting, crack repairs, maximising machinery performance, dealing with different concrete are just a few things we'll cover in detail. We'll make all the mistakes and learn how to fix them on the spot. Our team share everything they know about polished concrete with you. No holds barred, no secrets. When you come to a WORX Plus seminar, our goal, our commitment is to set you up for success. Register yourself and your team today for the next WORX Plus seminar and start building your brand, your team and your future by boosting your knowledge with a team that's totally committed to your success.